not eating enough during the eating window. Intermittent fasting is not about eating less, it's about eating less often. I always tell my clients, eat protein and fat with your meals, eat until full. The body has this innate intelligence inside of it that mechanisms are in place to let you know, hey, you're full, stop eating. So you want to eat until full, you want to have protein and fat with each meal, so when you do fast, that will hold you over, because protein and fat is not going to let insulin and glucose spike as much as carbohydrates. So you want to make sure you're eating until full. That'll hold you over, so when you do fast, it's much more enjoyable and you feel good during the fast.